Hi guys, this is Mitali and welcome back to my channel Glam On with me. So I'm back with another video, and if you want to see what that video is, then keep on watching the video. And before that, if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, then please hit on that red subscribe button, and beside there will be a notification bell. Also, don't forget to hit on that bell icon so you never miss any update of my videos. And if you enjoyed watching it, then don't forget to hit on that like button and also share my videos with your friends and with your family. And you can also follow me on my social media handles. The links for the same will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And everything, like whatever the products I've used in this video, will all be given in the description box, so don't forget to check that out. And yeah, that's all for the introductory part, and now let's see the full video. Hey guys, so let's get started with today's video. First, I'll take these two shades, and first you need to smile and you need to locate your apples of your cheek. Then you need to push the color with the brush like to your hairline and blend it really well. As you can see it on the screen how I'm doing it, and also apply color to your T-zones so that it looks much more neat. Then I'll top this blush with my compact powder so that it looks good and natural blush, and I'll dab a beauty blender on top of this so that I get a nice rosy cheek. So yeah, that's how it is. So it's really easy to apply blush. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and if you enjoyed it, then don't forget to hit on that like button. Do subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I shall see you in my next one. Till then, bye guys, take care, love you all.